Hello, everyone, and welcome to Top 10 Tips to Help You Stay Healthy During the Coronavirus. Um, During this time of a pandemic, everyone is really worried, and we're all are asking, what do we have to do to stay healthy during such a time? And I'm here to give you 10 tips to help you stay better. First is when going outside, or if you have to go outside, wear a mask. Make sure it's a proper mask and that the mask fits over both your nose and your mouth. If not, the mask isn't as effective and is nearly useless, actually. Um, Number two, wash your hands. Washing your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water, making sure to scrub and make sure the suds of said soap, make sure it cleans your hands nice and well. That can help eliminate the coronavirus and keep you healthy. Number three, stay indoors. We are in a time of quarantine. Stay indoors unless absolutely necessary. I would only think some of the things you have to go outside for would be getting essentials from the grocery store. And also, number four, buy in bulk. When you go to things like the grocery store, um, try to plan out multiple weeks in advance so that you're limiting the amount of times that you're actually going to the grocery store so that you can avoid larger crowds and avoid more social areas where, instances of the coronavirus can spread more easily. Number five, you're at home. You got a lot of free time. Work out. Working out builds a proper strong immune system and can help battle the coronavirus. Um, Number six, if you cannot wash your hands in any situation, make sure to carry a little bit of hand sanitizer around you with more than 60% alcohol percentage so that you can disinfect your hands and have a little bit less than a quality of washing your hands. Washing your hands is always preferred, but using the hand sanitizer also helps drastically in comparison to not having anything at all. Um, Number seven, if you are going to go outside in any case that's absolutely necessary, try to wear gloves as to not touch surfaces that are commonly used by others who are sick or maybe carrying sicknesses and bacteria. Using gloves, you may want to use them out for the whole entire day, and then when you're done with them, dispose of them properly. Um, Number eight, um, clean off and disinfect commonly used surfaces. In your household, you don't want to be essentially leaving things to gain bacteria or have spread of bacteria from other members in your household. So essentially, cleaning off commonly used surfaces like railings, doorknobs, things like that are a way to stay healthier because, with these disinfected surfaces, you won't be contracting or touching any surfaces that contain bacteria. Um, Number nine, get some sleep. As we're in our households for the most of the time during this quarantine, getting a proper sleep schedule where you're getting sufficient amount of sleep is very important as getting sleep and exercising and eating healthy are all three great ways of building a proper immune system so that when situations like, you contracting sickness occur, you have a proper immune system built without your body that has capabilities of defeating said um, parasites and sicknesses and things like that. Number 10 is a pretty important one. Don't go to the hospital unless you start attracting symptoms or you are in emergency need of help. If you feel like you're healthy and you don't have symptoms of the coronavirus or any other sickness that might be of an importance, avoid the hospital, which contains sick patients of both the coronavirus and other sicknesses as well. And hospitals already have a lot of work on their hands. You know, they are dealing with a lot of patients that do actually contract the coronavirus and they are in emergency need of care. And it's much better for hospitals that only have a limited amount of doctors and nurses to help the people that have the sickness already than to spend their time helping you, even though you would possibly not have any symptoms and you would have just been fine. Um, Instead, stay at home or in a time of quarantine and practice the 9 other tips that I just talked about. Um, Thank you.